Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to implement a Boolean function by using decoders. So the concept of decoders and the combinational circuit of decoders and the concepts which are related to the decoders has already been discussed in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And now coming to this class, and the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. In this class, we will try to implement these functions on the decoder. So can these functions be implemented on the decoders? Yes, they can be implemented on the decoder, and these two functions are a 3 variable function. So in order to implement this function on a decoder, so we will try to have a 3 by 8 decoder. So let's take a 3 by 8 decoder. So the implementation of the functions. So one of the way is to implement the functions is the use of OR gate along with the decoder. So we have to use an OR gate along with the decoder so that these functions can be implemented by using a decoder. So it is a 3 by 8 decoder. So the output, the number of outputs are going to be 8, and these output values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the so based upon the input that we are going to give. So based upon that input, those outputs will get selected. So that is the principle of decoder, right? So here the variables are x, y, z. So this is a 3 by 8 decoder. If you want to implement these functions onto it by using the decoder, we have to use an OR gate. So let's use an OR gate. By using this OR gate, how can we implement is just connect all the minterms that are there in the function. So just connect all the minterms that are there in the function. So the minterms that we have in the function is 0, 2, 3, 4. So all the minterms will get connected to this OR gate. So with this the function will get implemented, which means for example if you give an output of 0, 1, 1. So what is the implementation of function? If for any of these minterms, or for all of these minterms, if the device is producing an output of 1, so the function will get implemented, isn't it? Yes. So what's happening here? So whenever we give an input that is corresponding to this minterm, so here 0, 1, 1, which is 3, which one will get activated? So the line with 3 will get activated. So this is going to be 1 and all the outputs are going to be zeros. So the output that is getting generated out of this OR gate is going to be 1. So that function is getting implemented. Okay, so this is how decoders can be used along with the OR gates, can be used to implement functions. And a single decoder can implement as many functions as possible. For example, if you take this function is having a minterm 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this function can also be implemented on the same decoder. So how it can be implemented? It's very simple. So take another gate, OR gate, and to this OR gate connect all the terms which are related to this function. The minterms which are related to this function are 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. So try to connect all the minterms, the minterm 1, 3, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so with these interconnections we are going to implement this function also. Okay, for example, if you give 3 now, which functions will get activated? Which functions will be activated? So both these functions are going to generate an output of 1. Why? Because both of them are having the common term 3. So both the functions will produce an output of 1, which means both the functions has been implemented. So this is how the functions can be implemented by using a decoder. For example, if you want to create a function for half adder by using a decoder, can that happen? Yes, we can create the half adder implementation. So the implementation of the half adder can be done by using a decoder. So the concepts related to the half adder, full adder has already been discussed in our previous videos. Please watch those videos because the logic of those half adders will get implemented by using the decoder. So for example, if you take to implement, so what is the functionality of a half adder? A half adder is a combinational circuit used to combine two bits. So use it to add 2 bits. So for that implementation we need a 2x4 decoder. So this 2x4 decoder, we have 4 outputs and 2 inputs. For example, if it is AB, okay, so by this 2x4 decoder we can implement the half adder. What is the logic of a half adder? For example, if you want to add 0 1, what it is going to produce is, it is going to produce a carry of 1 and sum of carry of 0 and sum of 1. So this is carry and this is sum. And what is the function? Boolean function for sum. Boolean function for sum is A XOR B. So which is functionally called as A bar B plus A B bar. So this is the XOR function, right? So what is the Boolean function for carry? Boolean function for carry is A dot B. Okay. For example, if you take these outputs, so how these outputs can be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is going to be A bar, B bar, this is A bar, B, this is A, B bar, and this is A, B. So in order to implement the sum, in order to produce the sum, so these two lines ought to be connected to an OR gate. So these two lines, A bar B plus A B bar. Plus means OR gate. A bar B plus A B bar is going to produce the value of sum, and similarly just direct line A B is going to produce a value of carry. So how it is going to produce the sum and the carry? For example, if you take 0 1, the value of 0 1 for A and B, A plus B, 0 1 is going to produce 0 1. Okay, so how the sum will get produced is, so if you take 0 1, which one will get activated? This A bar B will get activated. So the A bar B is going to be 1, all the remaining outputs are going to be zeros. So at sum, what it is going to produce? It is going to produce a 1, and for carry it is going to produce, this is 0. Okay. Similarly, if you take 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is going to produce 1 0. So the sum is, carry is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 0. So check whether, what if you give 1 1. So 1 1 means AB. This AB is going to be 1 and all the remaining outputs are going to be zeros. So this sum is going to produce a 0 and this carry is going to produce an output of 1. So this is how a half adder can be implemented by using decoder. So any function, any Boolean function can be used by using its corresponding decoders. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.